Hi everyone, we're going to paste yellow strips on the sheet of paper using double-sided tape. Now roll all the strip using a stick and your flower is ready. After that we're going to paste another red flower at the center, paste its leaves and look, your bouquet is ready. We're going to make a beautiful bouquet, so paste the leaves of the flower. Now cut a red circle, then start rolling it. We are making a beautiful rose here. Paste it using double-sided tape, make more such flowers and your bouquet is ready. We are going to make these beautiful flowers, so make a clay ball. We are going to cut this mask and color it pink. You can also use a tissue paper. Make small pieces and dab all of them inside the pink clay ball using toothpick. Now make a stick and look, your flower is ready. Cut a red petal, fold it and paste it on a sheet of paper. Paste 6 such petals. Now we are going to paste a mini yellow flower. Paste the stick and green leaf like this. Fold it and look, your bouquet is ready. Press this pink clay and make 6 such petals. Now we are going to roll all of them and look, your flower is ready. After this we are going to give it shape. Now cut a mask. We are going to cover it and make a beautiful rose bouquet and it's done. We are going to make this beautiful rose bouquet, so cut the plastic bottle into half. Now we are going to make the red petal by cutting it and put it around the base of the paper cup. After one layer, put glue and start the same process. Remove the flower and it's ready. Put it on the top of the bottle. Now we are going to cut the mask. We are going to make the bouquets. You can also use tissue paper in place of this and look, your flower is ready. Take this red craft paper, make multiple cuts on it. Now fold it and paste it using double-sided tape like this. Same way you can do this with yellow craft paper. Now take a stick, color it green. Now start rolling it. First we are rolling this yellow craft paper, then this red, and look, your flower is ready. Then we are going to make the leaf and paste all of them together and look, your flower is ready. Cut 4 square tissue papers and put all of them one after another and make mini folds. Now tie them at the center using a thread. Now take a scissor and cut both the edges in V shape. After this we are going to open them like we're doing here and then unwrap all the petals like this. We are making a beautiful flower here. So unwrap and open all the petals like this and look, it is ready. Do the same from other side as well. Your flower is ready. Now roll a green craft paper and make a stick. Make mini cuts and open it. Then we are going to fold this green craft paper, make a triangular shape. We are going to make sepal of the flower, open it and look, it is ready. Now combine all of them, paste its leaves and it is ready. Make multiple cuts on this strip of paper. We are going to make a beautiful flower. Now curl all the cuts using a toothpick and then roll a green paper and make a stick. Roll all of them together. Same way we are going to make multiple cut on white paper and cover it as well. Then we are going to make the leaf by folding this green craft paper. Now draw the shape of the leaf using pencil. Cut it. Now we are going to open it. You'll get 2 leaves. Now paste all of them together and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.